Ever felt the pressure to modernize your restaurant? Maybe the old cash register just isn't cutting it anymore, or perhaps online ordering is the new frontier you need to conquer. Whatever the reason, TouchBistro has likely popped up on your radar. It boasts sleek interfaces, powerful features, and promises to streamline your entire operation. But then a niggling question creeps in. Can I cancel TouchBistro if it's not the perfect fit? Let's face it, diving into a new restaurant management system is a big decision. You're trusting this software with the heart of your business, your inventory, your staff scheduling, your customer interactions. So, before you take the plunge, understanding TouchBistro's cancellation policy is crucial. The good news, freedom to discontinue. Here's the first bit of relief. TouchBistro allows you to discontinue using their services at any time. Their terms and conditions explicitly state this. 1. That means no feeling locked into a long-term contract, and the flexibility to walk away if it doesn't meet your needs. But wait, there's more, like fees and data. However, there are a few things to consider when hitting that cancel button. First, any prepaid fees, like installation or training costs, are typically non-refundable. 2. This makes sense, as TouchBistro has already invested resources in getting you started. Another point to remember is your data. When you cancel, TouchBistro reserves the right to delete any content stored in your account. 3. This includes customer information, menu details, and potentially historical sales reports. If this data is vital for your business, be sure to download it before hitting cancel. Beyond cancellation, exploring your options. Now, let's say you're not quite ready to throw in the towel entirely. Maybe TouchBistro isn't perfect, but there's still some value there. The good news is you might have options besides a complete cancellation. Contact TouchBistro support. Their support team is known for being responsive, and they might be able to troubleshoot any issues you're facing. They could also help you explore different plans or features that better suit your specific needs. Explore the free trial. TouchBistro often offers free trials. This is a fantastic way to get a hands-on feel for the system before committing. Use the trial period to explore all the features, see if it integrates seamlessly with your workflow, and most importantly, decide if it helps your restaurant run smoother. Consider alternatives. The restaurant management software market is a competitive one. If TouchBistro isn't the answer, there are other options out there. Do your research, compare features, and see if another platform might be a better fit. Ultimately, the decision to cancel TouchBistro, or any software for that matter, depends on your individual circumstances. Understanding the cancellation policy is just one piece of the puzzle. By exploring your options, taking advantage of free trials, and potentially seeking support from TouchBistro directly, you can make a well-informed choice for your restaurant's future. Remember, the ideal restaurant management system should empower you, not leave you feeling trapped. With a bit of research and exploration, you'll find the perfect fit to take your restaurant to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,